going on, guys? We are back with another video today, making my favourite cocktail, the flat white espresso martini. We have got a super easy recipe for you today. All you need is 25 ml of vodka or espresso vodka, 1 espresso and 50 ml of Baileys. This recipe is going to give you the best, smoothest and creamiest espresso martini you've ever had. So let's get making. So you're going to want to take your cocktail shaker or any kind of container, add your ingredients with a handful of ice and mix it up. If you don't have an espresso machine at home, you can use any kind of coffee, including instant, for this step. Today I'm using an incredible espresso from Dark Arts Coffee. And just like that, you've got your flat white espresso martini. I hope you guys enjoy this one. Let me know what you want to see next time. I'm going to give this a try.